16 years old jersey number 18, Johan Marius Amanuevo. And we have player wearing jersey number 3, Andre Felix Baton. And next player we have jersey number 9, Johan Michael Elibe. Next player is wearing jersey number 24, Santino Miguel Pastora. Next player from LBDL is wearing jersey number 8, Dwayne Owen Rapitan. Next player is wearing jersey number 20, Yomir Brent Magda. Next player is wearing jersey number 14, Simon Daniel Mercado. And next player is wearing jersey number 27, James Navales. Next player is wearing jersey number 5, Justin Iniel Lebreja. And next player is wearing jersey number 22, John Clarence Regalo. And next player from LBDL is wearing jersey number 11, Cyrus Rejano. And next player from LBDL is wearing jersey number 3, Benward San Valentin. And next player from LBDL is wearing jersey number 23, Eli Sanchez. Last but not the least, our player from LBDL is wearing jersey number 4. We have John Curry Tapilongan. And that's the set of players from LBDL. And to welcome the players from Insanity and Forever. Let's start with jersey number 25, Bernard Manara. Next, we have jersey number 8, Leon Rojas. Jersey number 6, John Alvin Peluna. Jersey number 10, Dana Rivera. Next, we have jersey number 1, UA Pical. Jersey number 9, John Erwin Peluna. Jersey number 15, Mark Dian Onisa. And next, we have jersey number 26, Benjamin Jeffrey J. Sana. Jersey number 4, Jairo Capri. Jersey number 23, Sebastian Arengado. Jersey number 29, King Albert Alunania. Jersey number 22, Deo Valentino. Jersey number 77, we have Marco Garcia. Jersey number 31, John Lopez. Jersey number 1, Renzo Silva. And last but not the least, jersey number 13, John Pantoy. And this is the list of players who will compete for their spot for the finals game. And with that, let the game begin!
All right, let's go. This is the last game of our semifinals today. Kuya Word Pinsanity versus LBDL, who will be going on the finals next week. At sino ang mananalo dito sa ating laban na ito? Later on magsisimula na ang ating second game of the semifinals. Para sa kupunan ng LBDL, we have number 24, La Pastora. Number 3, San Valentin. Number 4, Tabilangon. Number 11, Rejano. And number 18, Ano Nuevo. Para sa kabilang kupunan naman, number 25, para sa Kuya Words, Manarang. Number 8, Rojas. And number 6, De Luna. And we have number 4, David. And last but not the least, we have number 10, Rivera. At ang unang puntos ay magmumula dito sa kupunan ng LBDL. And this is the first quarter of our second game of semifinals. At maagang pagbawi para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word, Rojas. 3 points. Traveling violation by number 3, San Valentin. Rojas for the inbound. Pass to Rivera, dribbling the ball. Pass to Rojas. To Manarang. Here's Manarang. 1v1 with Rejano. Ipapasa dito kay Rojas. Rojas for 3. No good. Rebound by San Valentin. Pass to Ano Nuevo. Ano Nuevo for the layup. No basket. Rebound by De Luna. Rivera to Rojas. To number 25, Manarang, dribbling the ball. Pass to David for 2. No basket. Rebound by La Pastora. And there's Tabilangon. Nice pass by number 11, Rejano. 4-3 ang ating score in favor of LBDL. Rivera. Pass to Rojas. Back to Rivera. To David. And there's David. To De Luna. Wala. Pero makukuha dito ni Rojas ang bola. Rojas for 2. No basket. But fouled by number 18, Ano Nuevo. Shout out sa ating all viewers dito sa ating page sa San Pablo City Basketball. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. First free throw by Rojas, no basket. And there's the second free throw. Basket, all for ang ating score. Rejano, receive the ball. Rejano, fouled by number 11, David. By number 4, David. Ano Nuevo for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. Rejano dribbling the ball. Ibibigay dito kay Tabilangon. Tabilangon for 2. No basket. Rebound by Manarang. Manarang nagmamadali. Manarang. Nag-aantay ng kakampi. Manarang. Atake for 2. No basket. And fouled by number 4. Tabilangon. At muang maaga may lalabas dito sila Pastora. Papalitan ni number 27, Navales. First throw by Manarang. Basket. Second free throw, basket again. Rejano, may hawak ng bola. Rejano. For the side step. What a nice move by Rejano. All 6 ang ating score. Rivera. For 2. Basket by Rivera. Rejano again, dribbling the ball. Long pass to number 18, to Navales. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. De Luna for the inbound. Pass to Rivera. Rivera dribbling the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to David. masusundutan pero Ano Nuevo to Navales, matatapik palabas. At mapupunta ulit ang bola dito sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Ang ating score 8-6 in favor of Kuya Word. And we have 6 minutes and 19 seconds left on the first quarter. Rivera dribbling the ball. Rivera to Rojas, full up for 3, no basket. But here's De Luna for 2, for the hook shot. Basket by De Luna. Rejano dribbling the ball. Rejano. Black. Number 8, lapitan. Black by number 6, De Luna. Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Lapitan. To Rejano. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Rejano for 3, no basket. David secured the ball. Pass to De Luna. To number 25, Manarang finger roll. Basket count. And fouled by number 27, Navales. Nice move by number 25, Manarang. Manarang para sa kanyang 3-point play. For the last throw, no basket. Ball possession to LBDL. And there's Regalo. For the inbound, pass to Mercado. Rejano nagmamadali. Rejano for 2. No good. But here's number 27, Navales, para sa follow-up shot. 2 points by Navales. Bigal, papasok na dito. Bigal to Manarang. There's Rivera. To David. Makakakuha ng foul dito sa number 11 na si Rejano. David on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First throw by David. Basket. At warning for penalty na dito ang LBDL. Second free throw, no basket. Rebound by Lapitan. Rejano makakakuha ng bola. Rejano dribbling the ball. Rejano nagmamadali. Rejano. Pass to number 27, Navales. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. We have 4 minutes and 52 seconds. David for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. Pass to Manarang. Manarang dribbling the ball. Manarang for 2. No basket. Mercado makakakuha ng bola. Bibigay kay Rejano. Wrong pass with the wrong man by Rejano. Bigal makakakuha. And there's Bigal. Pass to De Luna. No basket but fouled by number 14, Mercado. At mukhang nagkaka-foul trouble dito ang kupunan ng LBDL. De Luna on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First throw by De Luna. No basket. Ang ating score, 8-13. 5-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Second throw by De Luna. No basket again. Mercado, Torrejano. To La Pastora, no basket. Same ball possession. At Rejano, papalitan dito ni number 18, Ano Nuevo. At timeout para sa kupunan ng LBDL at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth.
And we are back to our ball game. We have 4 minutes and 12 seconds time remaining left on this first quarter. Ball possession to LBDL. Ano Nuevo for the inbound. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Lapitan. Lapitan full of for two. No basket. Ano Nuevo makakakuha ng bola. Kay Lapitan ulit. Back to Ano Nuevo. Ano Nuevo. To La Pastora. Mabibitawan ng bola. Ball possession to Kuya Word. The bid for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. And there's Manarang. Rivera to Bigal. Matatapik ni Nabales ang bola palabas. Same ball possession. Ten seconds on the shot clock. The bid for the inbound. Nabales, papaltan dito ni San Valentin. Bigal, pinasa dito kay Manarang. Pass to the bid. No good. And there's Olisa. Mauubusan na ng oras. Shot clock violation by Kuya Word. Pastora for the inbound. Pass to Ano Nuevo. Back to La Pastora. Ibibigay dito kay San Valentin. To Ano Nuevo. Ano Nuevo for the layup. Pushing foul by number 14, Mercado. At penalty na dito ang LBDL. De Luna on the free throw line. First throw by De Luna. No basket. And there's the second free throw. No basket again. Elaiba makakakuha ng bola. Elaiba dribbling the ball. Elaiba. Pass to number 5, Nebreha, pero matapatapak dito sa guwit. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. Pass to Bigal. Bigal dribbling the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang out of bounds. LBDL ball possession. We have 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Here's La Pastora. No basket. La Pastora again. No good. At mukhang medyo mapapasama yung bagsak doon Manarang, pero okay naman. Number 5 ni Breha, matatawagan dito ng foul. Two free throws. By Manarang. First throw. Basket. At gumalaw na ang ating score, 8-14 in favor of Kuya Word. Second free throw. Basket again, complete to Ebreja for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. Rejano dribbling the ball. Pass to Nebreja for 3. No basket. Bigal makakakuha ng bola. Endures Bigal. Dribbling the ball. Bibigay dito kay De Luna. De Luna, no basket. Olisa, no good. Rejano. Fouled by number 9, De Luna. We have 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Time remaining on the first quarter. Rejano, pass to Eliba. Back to Rejano. Rejano for 2. No basket. Eliba for 2. Wala pa din. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. 7-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. And there's Rejano for the inbound. Pass to Regalo para makukuha dito ni Bigal ang bola. Here's Bigal. Traveling violation. Back to LBDL ball possession. Nebreja, pass to Rejano. Dribbling the ball. Ibibigay dito kay Regalo. Back to Rejano. Rejano to Nebreja for 3. No basket. Rebound by Olisa. Pero makukuha ni Nebreja ang bola. Nebreja, 2 points. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Garcia. Fouled by number 5, Nebreja. 2 free throws by number 11, Garcia. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. Basket. 6-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Rejano for 3. 3 points by Rejano. There's Garcia, pass to Bigal. 8 seconds violation. Last 57 seconds. Regalo for the inbound. Pass to number 23, Sanchez. No good. Sanchez pa din. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. 3 points lead para sa kupunan. Ball pipe between Kuya Word and LBDL. Pero ang possession ng bola dito pa rin sa Kuya Word. Bigal. To Tolentino. Tolentino for 2. Basket. 2 points by Tolentino. Rejano nagmamadali. Last 25 seconds. Rejano full up for 3. No basket. Out of bounds. De Luna for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. Bigal dribbling the ball. Still by number 11. Rejano. Rejano. Behind the back pass to Regalo pero hindi makukuha. Last 5 seconds. De Luna. Pass to Garcia. To Bigal. For 3. No good. And this is the score of our first quarter. 13-18. In favor of Kuya Word, and this is the end of our first quarter of the game.
liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo.
And we are back dito sa ating second quarter of the game. There's Ano Nuevo. Pass to Magda. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. Rojas receive the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang dribbling the ball. Pass to De Luna. Ibibigay kay Manarang. Rehano makakakuha ng bola. Pass to Ano Nuevo. Ano Nuevo. Easy layup. 2 points by Ano Nuevo. Rojas dribbling the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang to Tolentino. No basket. Out of bounds. Ball possession to LBDL. Ano Nuevo may hawak ng bola. Ano Nuevo for 2. No good. Rebound by Rojas. At Rojas fouled by number 18. Ano Nuevo. Rivera may hawak ng bola. Rivera to De Luna. No good. Rebound by Rehano. Rehano nagmamadali. Rehano. Traveling violation by number 11, Rehano. Rivera ulit may hawak ng bola. Rivera dribbling the ball. Pass to Alemania. To Rivera. Here's Rivera to Alemania for 2. No basket. Mercado to Ano Nuevo. No good. David makakakuha ng bola. Here's Rojas to De Luna. Traveling violation. Rehano, pass to Lapitan. Back to Rehano. Makakukuha ni David ang pasa. Here's David, pass to Rojas. Rojas to Rivera. Rivera to Alemania. To David. Makakukuha ni Mercado ang bola. Still by David, and there's Rojas for the easy 2 points. Still na naman ba? Rehano may hawak ng bola. Rehano fouled by number 6, De Luna. (15-20) ang ating score in favor of Kuya Word. Rehano may hawak ng bola. Pass to Lapitan. Lapitan full of for 2. No basket. To San Valentin. San Valentin. 2 points. Rivera may hawak ng bola. Rivera fouled by number 8. Lapitan. At Manarang papalitan dito si Alemania. Rivera to Rojas. Rojas for 3. No basket. Rojas. Magda. Fouled by number 10, Rivera. Two free throws para kay Magda. First throw. No basket. Second free throw. Air ball, no basket again. Ball possession to Kuya Word. De Luna for the inbound. Pass to Rivera. To Manarang. Manarang. Spin. To Rivera. For 2. Rivera floater. Basket. Nabalas for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. Matatapik dito ni Rojas ang pasa. And there's Rojas. To De Luna. Lapitan na makakakuha. Lapitan. For 2. Basket. 2 points by Lapitan. 19-22 ang ating score. 3-point lead pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Pinsanity. And there's De Luna, basket count. And De Luna fouled by number 24, La Pastora. And there's the replay. De Luna para sa kanyang 3-point play. Oh, basket. Rebound by Mercado. Pass to Rejano. Dribbling the ball. And Rejano fouled by number 25, Manarang. Lapitan for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. Pass to Navales. Navales. For 2. No basket. David. Secure the ball. Pero mai-steal dito. Rejano may hawak ng bola. Rejano. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. To Navales again. Navales. Traveling violation by Navales. At shoutout sa lahat ng ating viewers. And shoutout din sa San Pablo City Referee Association of Laguna. Or SPCRA. Please follow, like, and share. Also support ng kanilang page na referees ng mga champion. At shoutout kay Sir Ricky Enriquez, ang ating poging referee ng San Pablo City. And we are back to our ball game. La Pastora for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. Dribbling the ball. To Lapitan. Full up for 3. 3 points by Lapitan. 22-24 ang ating score. 2-point lead na lang dito para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Bigal may hawak ng bola. Back to Rojas. Back to Bigal. Rojas, full up for 3. No basket. David makakakuha. Ibibigay dito kay Rivera. Rivera. Pass to David. Same ball possession. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Rivera for the inbound. Pass to Rojas. Rojas. For 2. Basket. 2 points by Rojas. Rejano may hawak ng bola. Rejano again. Pass to Navales for the reverse. No basket. Rebound by De Luna. Pass to Rivera. Rivera nagmamadali. Rivera. Pass to Bigal. Nice pass. Pero hindi pa pasok ang bola. David. Fouled by number 24. Fouled by number 14, Mercado. At warning for penalty na dito ang kupunan ng LBDL. 2 free throws by number 4 David. And we have 3 minutes and 46 seconds dito sa ating second quarter. First throw, basket. Second free throw, no basket. Rebound by Mercado. Pass to Rejano. Nagmamadali. Rejano. Pass to Anunuevo, no good. La Pastora, wala pa din. And there's Rejano for the 2 points. 24-27. 3-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Bigal to Rojas. Back to Bigal. Ibabalik kay Rojas. De Luna. De Luna. Traveling violation by number 6, De Luna. La Pastora for the inbound. Pass to Rejano. Dribbling the ball. Rejano to La Pastora. Full up for 2. No basket. De Luna secured the ball. Pass to Rivera. And there's Rivera. Fouled by number 18, Anunuevo. At penalty na dito ang kupunan ng LBDL.